Welcome back to Reviewsinsidetv. Today, we're looking at a powerful duo that aims to handle your floor cleaning needs in one smooth sweep: the iRobot Roomba i3 Plus EVO Robot Vacuum and the Braava Jet M6 Robot Mop Bundle. This combo promises effortless, hands-free cleaning for your home, whether you're at home or away, tackling everything from stubborn dirt to sticky messes. Let's break down the performance, design, and overall value to see if this robot cleaning team is right for you. The iRobot Roomba i3 Plus EVO Robot Vacuum is a standout in the world of robot vacuums, offering a premium 3-stage cleaning system with 10x the powerlifting suction of the older Roomba 600 series. This means you get a deeper clean, even in areas where dust and debris tend to hide. It features imprint smart mapping, allowing it to learn your home's layout so it knows where to go and when to clean, offering flexibility like no other vacuum. Whether it's cleaning by room or on a set schedule, you're in control at all times. The vacuum is compatible with other Roomba combo models, meaning you can pair it with mopping capabilities if desired. The Roomba i3 Plus EVO's suction power is especially impressive on hard floors, lifting dirt and debris with ease, while its brush system is designed to minimize tangles and maximize efficiency. The Braava Jet M6 mop is just as impressive, designed to seamlessly integrate into your cleaning routine. It uses precision jet spray to target sticky messes and kitchen grease, all while navigating around furniture and under tight spaces. If you've been looking for a mop that can handle multiple rooms and larger areas, this is your solution. It's designed for use on finished hard floors, making it ideal for hardwood, tile, and stone surfaces. With the Braava Jet M6, you can also control the cleaning schedule and the specific areas it tackles, making it perfect for homes with different cleaning needs or homes that see frequent messes. Both devices come with iRobot Genius, which allows for advanced features such as cleaning on a set schedule or when you're away, and even stopping when you return. This makes the cleaning experience virtually invisible to you, while ensuring your floors are spotless. For those who are constantly on the go or working from home, this is an excellent feature that sets this bundle apart. Let's dive deeper into the practical experience. The Roomba i3 Plus EVO is incredibly easy to set up. Once it's out of the box and connected to your Wi-Fi, it quickly starts mapping your home and gets to work. The vacuum is lightweight, and maneuverability is spot on. It glides over hard floors and low-pile carpets without any issue. In terms of noise, the Roomba is quieter than many other vacuums in its category, so you won't have to deal with constant, disruptive whirring as it cleans. One of the major selling points for many users will be its ease of emptying. The i3 Plus EVO comes with an automatic dirt-to-dirt disposal system, meaning you won't have to worry about emptying the bin every time it's used. The Braava Jet M6, on the other hand, is a bit more hands-on when it comes to maintenance, though it still offers a no-fuss experience. The mop's tank needs to be refilled, and you'll want to add the included cleaning solution to make sure the mopping performance is at its peak. It's worth noting that the Braava is quieter than traditional mopping methods, which can be a relief if you're trying to keep the noise down in your home. The mopping action is effective, however, especially on sticky spots, though it might require an extra pass on heavily soiled areas. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, both devices offer an excellent cleaning experience. The Roomba i3 EVO's suction power is one of its biggest strengths. It's particularly good at handling pet hair, which can be a challenge for some vacuums. The mopping feature of the Braava Jet M6 is equally impressive, as it's gentle but effective on delicate surfaces while providing a thorough clean. The iRobot Genius technology is a game changer, allowing you to control everything remotely. However, no product is without its flaws. For the Roomba i3 Plus EVO, the biggest drawback could be the lack of a specialized setting for high-pile carpets. While it performs well on low-pile carpets and hard floors, deeper cleaning on thicker carpets might require a more powerful machine. As for the Braava Jet M6, while it's great for general mopping, it can't replace a manual scrub for really tough set-in messes. The mop is also not designed for larger, dirtier areas like those in commercial settings. Additionally, both devices require some upkeep, Regularly emptying the dirt bin on the Roomba and refilling the Braava's tank can feel like a chore after several cleanings. When it comes to value for money, this bundle sits at a mid to high price point, but considering the performance and the convenience it offers, it's a fair deal for the right buyer. If you're someone who struggles to keep up with daily cleaning tasks or has a home with a mix of hard floors and light messes, this robot duo can be a real time saver. Compared to similar bundles, the Roomba i3 Plus EVO and Braava Jet M6 offer solid performance and reliability. But there are cheaper options that may offer similar features, especially if you're only interested in vacuuming or mopping separately. As for alternatives, the Roomba i3 Plus EVO competes with models like the Roomba J7 Plus and the Shark IQ robot, both of which offer similar mapping and smart features, though the J7 Plus includes a higher suction rating and better pet hair handling. For the mop, you could also look at the Ecovacs Dbot Osmo T8, which combines vacuuming and mopping into one device, but with a higher price tag. In terms of build quality, the Roomba i3 Plus EVO feels solid and well constructed. The plastic components are sturdy, and the system doesn't feel like it'll fall apart after a few months of use. The Braava Jet M6, likewise, feels durable, though it's not quite as robust as the vacuum. The mop's tank and sprayer mechanism are both functional, but you may want to be careful with the tank lid as it can feel a bit flimsy. Maintenance is relatively easy for both units. The Roomba's self-emptying system means you won't need to regularly clean the dustbin, but you will need to clean the brushes and replace filters occasionally. The Braava Jet M6 needs a little more attention in terms of cleaning the tank and replacing the mop pads, but that's to be expected with any mopping system. In terms of longevity, these devices should last for several years if well maintained, though battery degradation is a concern with most robotic vacuums over time. The iRobot customer support is known for being responsive and helpful should you encounter any issues down the line. To wrap it up, this combo offers a solid and convenient solution for homes with mostly hard floors and light to moderate messes. While it might not be the best option for those with deep pile carpets or heavy-duty mopping needs, it shines in homes that need a helping hand with routine cleaning. If you're looking to make your life a bit easier and don't mind the investment, this could be the right fit for you. Thanks for watching. If you want to grab this iRobot bundle, the link is in the comments box below. Have any questions or already tried this vacuum and mop duo? Drop a comment and let us know your thoughts. Until next time, stay clean. And as always, keep it locked to Reviews Inside TV.